This is the Helpful Lockpicker here, and the video I have for you today is me opening up this big box. So at this point, you're probably wondering, what is this big box and where did it come from? This box was sent to me by Lebel. I was lucky enough to be the winner of his 100 subscriber giveaway. He had a very generous giveaway and I am so excited to see what's inside the box. He included a digital camcorder and many different locks. He is a really talented picker, makes really great locks, and you should check out his channel. I am very excited to get the contents of this box taken out in just a second. Alright, so I think this is all that's inside the box here, so we'll open up this bag in just a second here. Alright, so let's take a closer look at the bag. We'll see what we have inside. So starting out, we have the digital camera that I won. Thank you so much, Lebel. Thank you so much for doing this giveaway and really helping give back to the community. I'm very excited to try to get some footage on this camera. So this is a digital video camera recorder, HD, 1080p, high definition, and this is really cool. Thank you so much. So it's very thoughtful and really great of you to want to give back to the community in this way. And then next in the bag, got some crazy larger than life-size pen. That's pretty awesome. Then we got a couple other things. We have the official 100 subscriber giveaway paper. We have a folding knife in the shape of a key. Flashlight. That's great for being able to see the insides of some locks. We have an Lebel bag. Inside that we have a mummied key and a challenge lock. So that's pretty cool. I'll try to give that a try or pass it along to someone that would like to try it. What else we have in here? We have a set of the Banggood dimple picks. Very cool, very cool. They're all individual, which is nice because you can just screw them into this tool. Then we have these really cool Yale dimple locks, which I'm really looking forward to trying out. Those are really nice. I still can't believe Lebel was so generous with his giveaway. This was really cool stuff that he was giving out, and I couldn't help but resist to enter it. So these are some really cool locks. And another thing that will be a really great teaching tool for me down the road will be the cutaway dimple lock. Now that is really cool. They're keyed different on each side, so you can have a different picking experience. I hope to make a video on this. This will be a really cool teaching aid, and I'm really thankful to have won that. Then it looks like we have the keys to the Yale locks here. Works very well. Works very well. Then we have another Lebel bag with a kick cylinder with a mummied up key. Very cool. This is called Ripe by Lebel. And the other one he sent me, I forgot to check the name, it was called SPAS by Lebel. Very cool. So, let's see what else we got in this bag here. Have the Sparrows SS Dev picks, which are really nice. Those are really cool. Thank you very much. And we've got another challenge lock. And we got the Sparrows Chess and Checkers pens. Well, those are really beautiful pens. Those can make a pretty fun challenge lock or just something fun to play with in general. So in our last challenge lock bag, we have a quick set, looks like, AL, Albert Lebel. Looney by Albert Lebel. That'll be fun to work on. I do enjoy my quick set challenge locks. So what I'd like to do is get some of this out of the way now, and let's just do a quick unboxing of the camera so we can take a quick look at it. So I'm just going to bag some of this stuff up here. Alright, so let's get a closer look at this camera that I won. So this is the Albert Lebel 100 subscriber giveaway. If you haven't checked out Albert, you can check out my featured channel of the week video I did on him. And he is a really great guy and has a really interesting channel. He's always making really great challenge locks. And he's a lot of fun to watch. So, and we got a good user's manual. Hopefully we won't need that too much, but it's always good to have. Now inside the box here, let's see if we can get a good shot here. We have the camera in its protective sleeve, nice and new. Very nice. DVC digital video camera, has a pretty good viewfinder, and it can go all the way around, which is really nice if you ever need to take a shot shooting it yourself or anything. Has a tripod mount, battery, very cool. Thank you so much. That was very generous of you, Albert. And what else do we have? We have some video cables if you need to hook this up to your television. Not HDMI, but they will do. Very good. USB cord so you can transfer the data quickly, and we have a nice soft case. And then we have the charger, SD card, 32 gigabyte, 80 megabytes a second, and the battery. Albert, I still cannot believe that you were so generous to do your giveaway with your 100 subscriber giveaway that you were able to include a digital video camera, all these locks, all those picks, everything. That was really generous of you, and I really appreciate your generosity. You have a really great channel, and I'm just interested to watch your channel grow. I'm so happy to have won, and I still cannot believe it. If you guys have not checked out Albert Lebel yet, please check him out. I'll put a link up top here so you can get to his channel. He's always making really tough challenge locks, picking challenge locks, and tinkering. He's a really good guy and a great member of the Locksport community. Well, that's all I have for you guys. This has been the Albert Lebel 100 subscriber giveaway. I was lucky enough to win it, and I am so thankful that I did. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope you all have a great day. And don't forget to check out Albert Lebel. He's a really cool dude.